Today we're going to look at using EasyBib to create annotated bibliographies. Let's start on the school website, northglenhs.org. First, I'm going to scroll down to the Google account login, and then select Gmail. Next, we want to log into our Adams 12 account. Now I'm going to go to my App menu, select More, and then choose EasyBib. Now that EasyBib has opened in a new tab, the first thing I'm going to do is create a new project. I'm going to call my project Annotated Bibliography. You should pick a project name related to your project. And I want to be sure to select MLA 8 as it is the newest version of MLA. The new project will appear at the top of your project list, and to start recording sources we're going to want to select the blue bibliography link. First, let's look at how to add a database resource to EasyBib. I'm going to start by clicking on the menu tab that says Database. While it is possible to search EasyBib for a particular database article, the easiest thing to do is click on the copy and paste link in the bottom right-hand corner. To do this, I'm going to want to go to the database article to get its citation. In any of the EBSCO databases, the citation link can be found on the right-hand menu. Scroll down until you find the MLA style citation. Highlight and copy the citation. Next, we're going to return to EasyBib, where we will paste our article citation. Finally, click Create Citation. Now, I'm just going to double check that my citation has been added to my project. Okay, let's try adding a website citation. To do this, I'll go to my internet article and copy the URL. And now we need to go back to EasyBib. We're going to paste the article URL into the Website menu tab. To get the website information, we need to click on Cite It. Once EasyBib has generated information about the website, we're going to scroll down and select Continue to the final step. With a website resource, it's very important that we double-check the information and fill in any missing information. I'm going to fill in the name of the author, I'm pretty sure the article also included a date and a publisher, so I'm going to go back to the website to look for that information. Now I'll add the missing information. And now we're ready to create our citation. The citation has been added to the project. For our last resource, we are going to create a citation for an article from the database Science in Context. This will be similar to the first resource we added to our project, but will look a little different as it is from a database created by a different publisher. Now it's time to add the annotations. It is strongly recommended that you type your annotation in another document and paste it into EasyBib. Start by clicking on the blue Edit link under your first resource. Click on the link to add your annotation. Paste your annotation into the text box provided. Click on Update Citation. Your annotation should now appear beneath your source citation. Repeat this process for the remaining citations. Now that we've added all of our citations and annotations, we are going to export our bibliography to Google Docs. Go to Export and then select Save to Google Docs. Click on Go to Google Docs to see your bibliography. When the bibliography opens, the first thing to do is change the title from Works Cited to Annotated Bibliography. Now we can look at our annotated bibliography. You'll notice that it has already been formatted and the sources are in alphabetical order. It's important to note that the annotation starts immediately after the end of the citation. Pay attention to whether or not your teacher has asked for additional formatting. Finally, you may want to give your annotated bibliography a new title. This concludes the tutorial on using EasyBib to create an annotated bibliography. Please stop by the library if you have any questions.